you got a hole back there. You want to mark where it's at, roughly. You're going to drill an 1/8 inch hole. Put a screw in it. Okay, you should have a hole already in the front of your bracket. You want to line it up with your door crank right there. Get that plunger over the top of it. You want to pull up on the crank to close your door completely. You want to compress it all the way down, then let it back up about 1/8 of an inch. I'm going to put a wood screw on there to make it easier for me. That 1/8 of an inch gives you a little bit of play, a little cushion. Allows the door to close tightly. Now, I've got to check this door axle. What we're looking for is side-to-side movement. We're going to take a little piece of plastic tubing that should be included in your kit, mark the end of the axle for it to fit. We're going to put a slit in it. About a 3/16 wide slit so you can snap it over the axle. That prevents the door from sliding back and forth. These are coming in right off the boat, so I've got to do a little modification on them. Put an extra screw in the top of it. Never drops. Replace these screws. For some reason my Filipinos don't seem to be able to put the sheet metal screws where they're supposed to go. Okay, now I'm going to take another wood screw. They're better than drills. I want to make sure that my cylinder is lined up on my door axle. I'm going to run the hole. Pull it up, run it through all the way, and pull it up snug, but don't strip it out. Then put your real screw back in there. There you go.